To everybody, I today show you another source of gold. This is like clay, something looks like clay. Okay, it's like sand, but looks like clay. And I want to show you how this clay works and how much gold he gets. It's not a lot of gold, but you know, it's just one of those places where is gold. When you know where to look, then you can get that gold. Okay, you can see nothing, and this looks like some rocks what I want to crush it with the test tube. So right now I be crushing all those rocks, not rocks of clays, and we'll see what we can get it from there. See, this is kind of, and I found some rocks which ones have potential, so they'll be separate tests. Okay, so we busy. I just received boxes with 100 milliliters of beakers. So we can do the really work. You see, nice ones, brand new. Okay, so let me finish everything, and then I be go crushing, and then we'll see how everything I do. See why I'm showing this one? Because we looking for rocks, we looking for a lot of different material, but we never think that this kind of material, like, have a gold inside. You can break with the fingers too, but you know, where it's a clay, then normally microscopic gold settles down and it stays in those rocks like this. I don't know, this is clay, not rocks. So I'm going to crush it, and we'll see how much gold I can get it from these ones. This is like 1 pound, 2, maybe 3. Okay, and we'll see what we get. I go crush it now with mighty mill, and we go continue. Okay, enough noise. Woo, the last done. See how small? Was easiest way to crush it is on this sand, clay. Okay, so let me take it out from here, everything, classify, and then we maybe do panning, and we'll see what we can recover. There'll be not a lot of gold, but I'm be busy doing something. Got that much material, and right now I want to wash it and make a wet. All this material, and I want to collect the dust too. Okay, because if gold is microscopic, so you need to collect the dust too, because mostly gold is microscopic size. So all this, what right now I try to save this mud. I need 2 hands, but not 2 hands. I need to transfer to the big bottle. Finish washing this material. It's now clean. There is little bit. And now I adding my secret ingredient. It's a black sand. You see the black sand? I collecting from the river, this kind of thing. And go to the panning place. Actually, you know what? I transfer to my this big pan. One can, this one can, guys. I try to show you and try to make everything. It's not so simple. When you do it, you will see it. Okay, so I transfer everything. I go close the water and I be panning this. Okay, I'm ready to pan it, and I slowly do panning. Shaking well, because you see all black sand is already went in the bottom, and I guarantee if there is gold, that gold is covered in the black sand. That way I no worry to lose that gold because it's covered in black sand. And black sand I put a lot, so that way I can guarantee I catch it almost everything what is there. Any heavy material, any gold, everything be in the bottom. And that way I figure out how to pan it, because earlier I pan and never see the gold till I started using black sand and magnet. So this is suggest for you guys, do the same panning technique. Nobody's showing something, so see, all sand is on the top, and then now you'll see black sand coming. Okay, see, everything comes out nicely, and gold is in the bottom, so that way I no worry about losing the gold, especially bigger pieces, no way to lose. This is microscopic pieces, so it's very easy to lose. And you see, sand is gone, there is still a little bit. I need to aggressively put on the top. No worry about losing black sand, because you take a magnet and collect back. Okay, so looks like I'm done. So now I'm shaking slowly and lifting that tool, okay, and then I'm collecting with the magnet all the sand, okay, the black sand, and what's left is just heavy material, and maybe it's gold, but this is microscopic. I don't think so you can see, but right now I go pan it with 2 hands. I try to show you what's left. You see, this is what's left is our value. You don't need to do nothing anymore. You just transfer to the beaker everything, because yeah, something is there. Let me try to pan it. Tapping, you see right away over here, it's a gold. See, it's getting bigger. See, that is my gold, guys. From the clay. Ooh. Okay, look how small they are, but this is our gold, and it's still over here in that sand. It's a lot of stuff. So, but I right now just transfer everything to the beaker, because look how you can collect that microscopic gold. Look how you can't even stick on the finger, no. But over here is a gold. You see, when you tapping, that gold comes, you see, it's going. See, getting bigger. This is a gold. You tell me, do you think about that gold in there? It's a lot of, it's not a grams, but you know, you saw how little amount I use, like 2 pounds of material. And you see, main thing, when you're tapping, all gold comes in that one place. If you separately, you don't even see him, but later you see the brown color over here, brown color, that is a gold. And when it comes together, then you see yellow. Okay, You see? When it comes together, okay, now we have gold. Then you can see the gold. Another way, you don't see the gold. Okay, guys, I'm transferring everything to the beakers. It dissolve everything, and then we use recovering SMB, or maybe we try zinc. Let's see how it works with the zinc. This is what our gold is. It's small gold. You see the gold? It's like microscopic pieces. Okay, you see what kind of gold is this? Okay, you see the rocks? The rocks very small. Okay, and it's still everywhere is here, but you don't see them because they are so small. And when they go together, then you can see those gold pieces. Okay, I go transfer everything to beaker. All sand and gold in the beaker. Add water, about 10 milliliters, I think, and I adding at least 30 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. Okay, and put the heat on. Okay, going, and let him get hot and start dissolving the gold. Okay, and precipitating we'll be doing with this kind of electrical part is zinc. So we'll see how zinc works for recovering the gold. I already tried. It works, looks like not bad. You see the on the bottom brown stuff. So, and here the same thing, brown stuff. So in my place, gold everywhere, guys. Sorry. Okay, so let him work. Like you see, reaction is very nicely. I see on the surface swimming sulfur that is dissolved with pyrites. Pyrites dissolves and sulfur releases and swims on the surface. Gold goes in solution. Okay, and everything looks like okay. Right now I keep it till this bubbling stops. Okay, because right now is exactly process very strong. And let's see, not even do we have a gold. Just test it, little bit drop. Okay, it's dirty. Let me get water, dilute it little bit, and maybe urea. Let's put drop of urea. You know, without urea you never get right results, so I adding. This is very little I need it. Okay, so okay, mix it, let the urea dissolve, and now is moment of truth is a stannous chloride. Okay, look, purple. So that means we have gold, guys. You saw the gold. Waiting till those bubbles stops coming, and then we filtrate to 3 or 4 beakers. I don't know if this is a lot, and we do precipitation with the zinc. The way I'm doing today 2 jobs: gold and smoking fish. Woo! You see, you need to know everything: how to go get the gold, how catch a fish, how smoke the fish. This retired people, is something wrong with them. Reaction is over. No more bubbles coming. Nothing. So that means gold, all gold is dissolved. So now we try filtrate because we have sulfur on here. So let's filtrate, add some water. wash it and be okay. Solution already finished filtrating, adding some water. I washed this and checking the bottom. Let's add water. Water actually is okay. And you see our solution is little bit reddish color, red color, because we have pyrite in solution. So that pyrite makes this kind of red color, but that color normally don't mean nothing. So I filtrating, add some water on this one and maybe put more. Let's go everything in, because water don't do nothing. And then we start precipitating this solution with the zinc. I already prepare. Oh, we need to put urea. Okay, enough. Let's put urea. Never forget put urea. Okay, guys. Let's see. Nitric. Do we have nitric? Yes, we have nitric. See the bubbles? Okay. And dissolve it. That way you can see bubbles coming or not. And one more time, putting some urea. And looks like no more bubbles. So solution is done. Ready to do precipitation. Okay, nice color. So I transfer to the beakers. Okay. Okay. Now I make them the same size. And let's see how everything works. Okay, adding zinc, one piece and one piece. And look what's happening. You see solution getting dark right away because we kill the nitric. So everything became black because gold precipitates and stays there. It's not even dissolving. And the beakers looks like brown, dark brown color. Okay, that is a good sign. Okay, so if you don't have another chemicals, that you can use zinc, aluminum, whatever. But I saw that aluminum are getting light brown and zinc are getting dark brown. And look in this place. This is brown, it's a gold, dark brown. If I be aluminum, that be light brown. So next experiment we do this. I dissolve some gold and we try to recover gold with 3 different metals, or 4, like aluminum, zinc, tin metal and copper, and we will see which one is best precipitate the gold. Okay, so right now we done almost. When you have everything done right, then you don't need a lot of zinc because gold comes first and stays. Okay, if you just add more, then it starts throwing out all another metals. So I add another little pieces, 2 pieces, and I leave it. Pieces like this, very small pieces. Okay, and forget it about 3-4 hours, and after a while everything be on the bottom like in here. Okay, everything coagulates because they're getting hot, and that's it. We'll see. Gold precipitates, you see, change color in this beaker. It became like a little brown and purple color. So this is changing too. It was yellow, but then after it was green, and now it's changing to the dark brown. So, and just need to wait till everything finishes. Okay. So right now, like you see, something going still. There is still zinc. So let him work, and I leave it for 2 or 3 hours, and I come back and I show you what's became this, how gold become in the bottom. So right now it's just bubbling because the zinc is there, and you see the little pieces swimming all over place. So that is our gold swimming. It's a little dark, you can't say it looks like black, but it's actually brown. Okay, and this is just a zinc, regular zinc. I use like little pieces. Okay, you see how it's easy with that gold. Yeah, after a while, look how gold looks like. You see those little pieces? It's our gold. Okay, and when zinc finishes, everything falls down on the bottom of the beaker. Okay, and the same here. You see both. That is black pieces. It's a gold. Here don't see nothing here. Ah, you see already. Okay, so that way gold coagulates, because when you adding zinc, it's get reaction and solution gets hot, and then those microscopic pieces of gold coagulates. They get stick to each other, and then those bigger pieces falls down to the bottom. Okay, and get you get clear solution, and everything be on the bottom. Okay, so right now still zinc is there. When it's finished, I show you. That be another maybe hour or two. Remember that dust what I collected first? Look what's going on in this dust. Okay. Okay. Let's put urea. Okay, urea in. Let's dissolve a little bit. Okay, and look moment or two. Purple. Okay. So we have gold in that, in dust too. So why I say dust I always collect. As soon as it stops bubbling, and I be do the same thing, filtrate and remove a precipitate with the zinc. Okay, looks like we're done with everything, so let's filtrate and finish this project. And you see gold already on the bottom here, still falling, so let him work. And here, that black bottom, so our gold. Remember, you see the shiny gold, and now it's black gold. But when we smelt it, everything become back to shiny gold. So this is not a lot of gold, guys, but I be just collecting in this beaker over here, and later when I have at least half a beaker, I smelt it. Okay. Filtrate new material. Right now adding urea. Okay, little by little. can add zinc or stannous chloride. We get the same result, I think. Okay, let's dissolve that urea and let's add stannous chloride. This time this be with the zinc and this be stannous chloride. It's supposed to get the same result. Of course, gold be maybe a little bit less because in dust was a little bit less gold. But look, this is stannous chloride. Boom, it's black. Okay. This is stannous chloride. And then we compare what kind of colors we got. Okay. It's the same. Whatever you guys have, aluminum, fine. Zinc is fine. And I want to make a video about tin and aluminum, tin and copper. I think I'm finishing this operation. I see dark brown color with the zinc, and after a while it becomes like this. Where is that? Dark brown. It's a with the zinc. And this stannous chloride do the same thing. After a while they coagulates and everything falls down on the bottom and be like exactly like the same thing. And I just want to see which one is better. So gold is easy, guys. So I wish you got it. Don't be so scared to experiment and everything be okay. So thanks for watching. I think this video is too long already, so I stop. Show you next time. Bye bye.